Is craftfash.com the real deal in 2026, or are they just out to scam you? If you've stumbled across their flashy deals, you're probably wondering, is it safe to shop here? Let's break it down so you can protect your wallet and your sanity. First, customer support. Craftfash only lists an email, support@craftfash.com, and their terms of service are loaded with legal jargon that limits their responsibility, especially if a third party is involved. That means if something goes wrong, you might be left hanging with no real solution. Next up, those crazy discounts. Sure, everyone loves a good deal, but when every item feels like it's 70% off, that's a big red flag. Scam experts say that these too good to be true markdowns are a classic move by shady retailers. And check out the content. Craftfash's site is full of awkward grammar, typos, and generic pages. There's usually no real address or working phone number anywhere, just a basic contact us page. If Chase Bank and PayPal both say this is a warning sign, I'd listen. Let's talk trust. I couldn't find any legit, positive reviews on sites like Trustpilot, and their social media presence? Pretty much non-existent or totally generic. Real brands interact with customers, post real photos, and build trust online. Craftfash just doesn't show up. So, what can you do if you're tempted to order? Always pay with a credit card or PayPal. Never with a debit card or direct transfer. That way, you can fight back if your stuff never arrives. Double-check the website's URL and look for that little padlock icon in your browser. And use a Whois tool to see how old the site really is. Brand new domains are usually riskier. Bottom line, if something feels off, trust your gut.